Hello again and welcome back to the card mat. Right, the tutorial for triple prediction times 2. Right, it's self-working. Once you get the setup, it's self-working. And the setup is dead easy to remember. 4 piles. First pile, take out 9 red cards, all of different values, and 6 black cards, all of different values, and shuffle them together. Pack 2, take out every card that's there and put them down in reverse order to that packet. Right, that's your packet 1 and 2. 9 red cards, 6 black cards in each packet, mixed up. That one put in the reverse order to that one. Pile 3, 7 black cards, 4 red cards. Again, all of different values. Mix them up together. Pile 4, the reverse order to that pile. And there's your setup. 9 red, 6 black for the first 2 piles. 7 black, 4 red for the last 2 piles. Right? Once you've got the piles made, count the values of all these cards up, add them all up. Jacks, Queens and Kings is 11, 12 and 13 respectively. And once you've got the total, you write on your card that you're going to have 9 red and 6 black cards. That's a given. It's always going to be. The only thing that's going to change is, depending on what cards are there, is the value of the pips. These have added up to 114. Yes, this is the card I used on the performance. These added up to 114. You then add up the pips on pile 4, right? And these came in at 68, right? So on your second prediction, 4 red cards, 7 black cards. Again, it's a given. That's exactly what you got hold of. And you count the pips and you get 68 in this case. And I'll put that there. Your third prediction is always 13 red, 13 black, 182. Always. Right, so that's easy to do. Once you've got your 4 piles set up, you put your pack together. Have them facing up and put pile 3 on top of pile 1. Put pile 2 on top of pile 3 and put pile 4 on top of pile 2. Right? Oh crap. And you're supposed to put a break 26, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 26. Put a crimp on that card. When you pick pile 2 up and put pile 2 on top of pile 1, put a crimp in the top face card before you put the others on the top. That should be the 26th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 26th card from the top. And you put them together. Now, I didn't do this in the performance and it was a big naughty. You should really have done it. You turn the packet over and you spread the cards out to show that the cards are completely and utterly mixed up. Bring it back together without changing the order of any of the cards. Put it down and then cut the packet at your break and ask your spectator to riffle shuffle them. And it doesn't matter how good or bad these are at riffle shuffling, because the trick will always work. It is self-working from this point on. You now get your spectator number 1 to take the top 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You get spectator 2 to take the bottom 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you give the remainder to spectator number 3. Spectator 1 now looks at their prediction. 9 red cards, 6 black cards. 2, 4, 6, 9. 9 red cards and 3, 6 black cards. They're pretty amazed. Spectator 2 looks at theirs. 4 red, 7 black. 1, 2, 3, 4 red and 3, 5, 7 black. They're pretty amazed. Spectator number 3 looks at theirs. 13 red, 13 black. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 red cards and 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 black cards. You then get spectator 1 to count the pips on their card and to count them very, very carefully so they don't make a mistake. Remembering that jacks are 11, queens are 12 and a king is 13. They've got 8, 14, 19, 28, 35, 46, 58, 68, 75, 78, 78, 82, 81, 91, 100, 111, 113 and one make 114, which was the amount of pips they should have had. These should have had 68. Let's see. 5 and 5 is 10, is 20, is 32, 32 is 45, is 51, is 59, is 59, is 64 and 4 is 68. Now this one is a constant, it's always going to be 182. I will not bore you with counting them, but there you go. Once you get the setup, the predictions follow on with it. 9 red, 6 black go into the first pile. Your first prediction, 9 red, 6 black. You can alter your numbers around as long as you have 15 cards in that pile, and you can alter the numbers around in these ones as long as they still have 11 cards in the pile. Right? That being said, there you go. That's how it was done. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.